To customize chart colors on MT4, open the chart you want to adjust and go to the Chart Properties menu. The quickest way is to right-click on the chart and select Properties. Inside the Properties window, open the Colors section. This is where you can change the chart background, foreground, grid, candle colors, bar colors, line chart color, bid line, ask line, and stop level colors. The background controls the main chart area, while the foreground controls items such as the price scale and time scale. The bull candle and bear candle settings control how rising and falling candles appear on the chart. You can also adjust the grid if you want it to stand out more, appear softer, or be removed from view. Once the colors are selected, apply the changes and review the chart. The aim is to make the chart easier to read, with clear contrast between price movement and the chart background. If you want to use the same color setup again, save the chart as a template. This lets you apply the same appearance to other markets without changing each chart manually. Customizing chart colors on MT4 does not change your account or the market data. It only changes how the chart is displayed, helping you create a cleaner workspace for analysis and trade management.